many of you have actually seen us before? Impressive. Most impressive. But now then, how many of you have never seen us before? Come closer. Hello. How are you? You good? This is your first night? How do you like it so far? It's pretty ripping, right? It's pretty good. Yes. It is. You want to see something funny? I have a hole in my shoe right there. And that is because I'm spinning on my shoes like that. But I bought new ones today, so this is the last night I'm using my shoes. In case you wondered why there is a hole in my shoe. Anyways, since this is our first night together, you and I wanted to bring you up to speed a little on what some of these people might already know that have seen it so many times. Some of these people are very experienced, you see. But now, the inexperience, that is what makes me tremble. How about you? You like that? Well, you see, every night that we play a concert, we always end our sets with the same song. Every time. Now some of these folks, they think it's a little bit predictable, maybe even a tiny tad boring. No. I would like for you to think of it as I do. Consider it an orgasm. I mean, think about this. We're here, together. Albeit Wednesday night, correct? But yeah, nevertheless, it's our first date. And obviously we're, touching sort of each other. We're feeling each other out. We're dancing. We're throwing kisses. I'm trying to impress you. And I'm wiggling my hips. And it's gonna hurt later. Maybe yours too. In a way, we are already fucking each other, I'm fucking all of y'all here. I have to say that. But, so after an hour and a half of doing it here at Universal Studios on our first date, don't you think we both deserve an orgasm? Yes. Before it starts hurting, for real.